Picture a scenario where you awaken to notifications of income generated while you rested. No more night shifts or extra jobs, just automated revenue from the systems you created using AI. This isn't just a dream, it's the reality of passive income in 2026. Moreover, you don't need advanced tech skills to make it happen. In today's session, I will present a proven framework utilized by everyday individuals. By the video's conclusion, you'll have a systematic approach for developing AI-driven passive income streams. These streams will provide earnings whether you're working, sleeping, or on the move. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech, where a single video can transform your financial future. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. We provide fresh content every day, featuring an AI strategy for high earners that isn't commonly discussed. Let's delve into the AI passive income blueprint. First, we must define what genuine passive income entails. It's not synonymous with idleness. It means performing the task once. You establish an asset or create a system and earn from it incessantly without repeated effort. Consider a YouTube video attracting regular daily views or a digital product that sells multiple copies daily. That exemplifies true passive income. With AI, creating these assets has never been quicker. Tasks that once took months can now be completed in mere days. Now let's examine the 4 pillars of the AI passive income blueprint, each serving as a distinct income stream that interconnects. Pillar 1 centers on an AI-powered YouTube channel. Each video you share continues to generate ad revenue long after publication. A channel hosting 100 videos could earn between $300 and $1,000 daily in passive ad income. The approach is straightforward. Utilize tools for discovering trending subjects, write scripts, generate voiceovers, produce videos, and design thumbnails. Within 90 minutes per video, you create an asset inventory. Aim to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for monetization. Pillar 2 is a digital product store. This involves developing products with lasting sales potential. For instance, a single digital product selling 3 copies daily can yield $51 daily passively. Create multiple offerings to boost your income. Utilize AI for creation and design. Then, list them on platforms such as Gumroad. Pillar 3 is AI affiliate marketing. Here you promote products and earn commissions through recommendations. The AI sector offers lucrative affiliate programs. Join these programs, incorporate affiliate links in your content, and craft dedicated review content using AI. This strategy can earn you $1,000 to $3,000 monthly just from affiliates. Pillar 4 involves an AI-generated blog focusing on SEO. This aspect is frequently undervalued. An SEO-optimized blog post can continue attracting traffic for years. Launch a blog, identify low-competition keywords, and leverage AI to write articles. Publish consistently, and before long, your articles could rank on Google, generating passive affiliate commissions. Next, let's set realistic expectations. During the initial 3 months, you'll be establishing assets, so income may be limited. From months 3 to 6, you'll start gaining traction with early sales and affiliate commissions. Over months 6 to 12, your earnings may skyrocket as your channels and products build momentum. By month 12 and onward, all pillars will collaboratively function, creating a passive income engine. You can potentially earn between $3,000 and $15,000 monthly with ongoing commitment. To summarize, the AI passive income blueprint comprises 4 pillars: an AI-powered YouTube channel, a digital product store, AI affiliate marketing, and an AI blog with SEO. Now here's your action item. Choose one pillar and take action this evening. Whether it's enrolling in an affiliate program, developing a product, or scripting a video, start today. Share in the comments which pillar you selected, and I will respond with tailored next steps just for you. If this blueprint resonated with you, please give this video a thumbs up. It takes just a second but assists us in reaching those who need this information. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Talk Tech for daily insights on AI income strategies. Like this video if you found it helpful, share it with anyone interested in passive income, and click that bell to ensure you never miss tomorrow's video.